Hello children, welcome to you in the bio class. Children, now I am going to teach you C4 cycle. C4 cycle is also called Hatch and Slack cycle, or it is also known as C4 pathway. Children, you studied C3 cycle. In the C3 cycle, you have studied first stable product is phosphoglyceric acid, and this phosphoglyceric acid is 3 carbon compound. Therefore, that is called C3 cycle. But here the first compound in the photosynthesis is 4 carbon compound, and that 4 carbon compounds is oxaloacetic acid or oxaloacetate. It is formed after taking carbon dioxide. So when carbon dioxide is used, first product, stable product is oxaloacetic acid or oxaloacetate, that is 4 carbon dicarboxylic acid. Therefore, it is called C4 cycle or C4 pathway. AMD Hatch and Roger Slack discovered this pathway. Therefore, it is also known as Hatch-Slack pathway. And this C4 pathway or C4 cycle is not common in all the plants. C4 cycle is common in some plants. So that plants are called C4 plants, and that plants have, the leaf of that plants have Cron's anatomy. These plants tolerate higher temperature. They show a response to high light intensities. So children, you have to study the mechanism of C4 cycle. As I told, in this cycle a 4 carbon compound dicarboxylic acid or oxaloacetic acid is formed by the initial fixation of carbon dioxide. So you see, this C4 cycle is completed in mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. As I have told you, mesophyll cells have chloroplast, smaller in size, but they have well developed grana. Bundle sheath cells have chloroplast, large in size, but they have poorly developed grana, or they don't have grana. So children, you have to see in the C4 cycle, the initial reaction takes place in the mesophyll cell. So this is the, children, see, this is the chloroplast of mesophyll cells. In the chloroplast of mesophyll cells, well developed grana are present. So here phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme is this phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. So this is the phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes the reaction, and this enzyme catalyzes the reaction of formation of C4 dicarboxylic acid. So C4 dicarboxylic acid is oxaloacetate, or it is also known as oxaloacetic acid. It is formed from phosphoenol pyruvate. So this is phosphoenol pyruvate and carbon dioxide both combined. Oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid is formed. This reaction is catalyzed by phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. So this is the first reaction, initial reaction that takes place, and it takes place in the chloroplast of mesophyll cell. This first reaction is catalyzed by phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme, and product is 4 carbon compound. That 4 carbon compound is oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid. Now, in the chloroplast of mesophyll cell, this oxaloacetate is going to reduce to malate, and further reduction 1 molecule of ADPH is required. So this is the ADPH. This ADPH is oxidized to NADP, and the reduction of oxaloacetate to malate is catalyzed by malate dehydrogenase enzyme. So this is the malate dehydrogenase enzyme. This is the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, and malate is formed. Here children, one more things you have to remember. In some cases, this oxaloacetate, 4 carbon compound oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid which is formed, it is aminated to aspartate in the presence of aspartate aminotransferase enzyme. So this is the aspartate aminotransferase enzyme. Due to this enzyme, oxaloacetate aminated to aspartate, and aspartate again change into oxaloacetate. So this is reversible reaction, and this reaction is catalyzed by aspartate aminotransferase enzyme. Children, the malic acid or malate is formed in the chloroplast of mesophyll cell. Now this malate transfer from the chloroplast of mesophyll cell to the chloroplast of bundle sheath cell. So from here, this myelet is transported to the bundle sheath cell. So now you see bundle sheath cell. In the bundle sheath cell, myelet has come from the mesophyll cell. Now mylic acid is present. That mylic acid convert myelet into pyruvate and carbon dioxide. So here myelet is converted into pyruvate. So this is the pyruvate and carbon dioxide. Pyruvate is transported to chloroplast of mesophyll cell from here, and there it change into phosphoenol pyruvate after utilizing one molecule of ATP in the presence of pyruvate phosphate dikinase enzyme. So I told, in the chloroplast of bundle sheath cell, myelet is converted into pyruvate and carbon dioxide. Pyruvate from the chloroplast of bundle sheath is transported to the chloroplast of mesophyll. There, in the chloroplast of mesophyll, pyruvate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate utilizing one molecule of ATP in the presence of pyruvate phosphate dikinase enzyme. It means conversion of pyruvate into phosphoenol pyruvate is catalyzed by pyruvate phosphate dikinase enzyme. Carbon dioxide, which is produced here, which released in the bundle sheath. This carbon dioxide enters the C3 cycle on the Calvin pathway. So it will come in the Calvin pathway and it is going to combine there. In the Calvin pathway, already you have studied, in the presence of ribulose biphosphate carboxylase enzymes, 5 carbon compound ribulose biphosphate combine with carbon dioxide form phosphoglyceric acid, and that phosphoglyceric acid change into phosphoglyceraldehyde. From the phosphoglyceraldehyde, one molecule of glucose and ribulose biphosphate again is formed. So this is the regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. So this is the Calvin cycle that is taking place in the chloroplast of bundle sheath cell. So children, you studied in C4 cycle. In the C4 cycle, the initial reaction takes place in mesophyll cell. Phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase catalyze the formation of oxaloacetate from phosphoenol pyruvate and carbon dioxide. Oxaloacetate is reduced to myelet in presence of myelet dehydrogenase. Oxaloacetate is also aminated to aspartate in the presence of aspartate aminotransferase enzyme. Myelet is transported to the chloroplast of bundle sheath through plasmodesmata. The myelet is decarboxylated in bundle sheath to form pyruvate and carbon dioxide. The pyruvate is transported to the mesophyll cell and converted into phosphoenol pyruvate to utilize ATP. Carbon dioxide released in bundle sheath cells enters the Calvin cycle. So this is C4 pathway or C4 cycle or Hatch-Slack cycle. Children, if you understood, if you like video, then share it, like it and subscribe it.